Today, we are testing a practical attachment for mini excavators, the MMS excavator rake. Unlike a standard bucket, a rake attachment is designed for different types of jobs. It is commonly used for clearing brush, collecting grass, removing roots, cleaning uneven ground, and preparing land before landscaping projects. But before using any attachment, there are two important questions. Is it easy to install? And does it actually perform well in real working conditions? In this video, we will go through the complete installation process, explain some useful design details, and test how this rake performs on a real job site. Before installing the rake, we first prepare the excavator. The operator adjusts the boom position to create enough working space for attachment installation. The first step is preparing the rake itself. One detail worth mentioning is the hexagonal hole design on one side of the rake. This allows the bolt to stay fixed during installation, making tightening easier with less movement. This small design detail can save time, especially when installing attachments without additional assistance. After securing the bolts, the rake is ready to be connected with the excavator. The attachment comes with multiple mounting holes and a simple bolt connection design. Another important feature is the quick coupler system. This excavator is already equipped with a quick attachment connector. Instead of manually connecting every attachment from the beginning, operators can switch tools much faster. The quick coupler is included in the attachment package when purchasing the excavator. For users who frequently change between buckets and attachments, this system improves efficiency and reduces downtime. Now the installation is complete. Let's move on to the real test. Before testing, we first check the working condition of the ground. This area has already been partially compacted, which makes it a good test for seeing how the rake interacts with harder soil. The original purpose of this attachment is mainly for collecting vegetation, brush, and loose materials. However, we also want to see how it performs during light ground preparation. During operation, the rake teeth break into the surface and loosen the soil while keeping larger materials separated. For landscaping and property maintenance work, this type of function can be very useful. After several passes, we can clearly see the difference between the untouched surface and the loosened area. The previously hard ground has become easier to break and reshape. This is where attachments like a rake provide additional value. They are not designed to replace every tool, but they can make specific jobs faster and more efficient. After loosening the soil, we use the excavator blade to push and level the working area. This combination of attachments allows operators to complete multiple steps without changing machines. Finally, let's take a look from the operator's perspective. From the cab, the attachment remains visible throughout the working process. Good visibility is important when working in tight spaces or around existing landscaping for homeowners, farmers, and small contractors. Attachment versatility is one of the biggest advantages of compact excavators. A single machine can handle digging, clearing, leveling, and material handling tasks by simply changing attachments. The MMS rake is a practical choice for users who need a lightweight tool for land cleanup and surface preparation. It is easy to install, simple to operate, and expands the capability of a mini excavator beyond standard digging work. If you want to learn more about MMS attachments or compact equipment solutions, feel free to contact our team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next equipment test.